Good afternoon. My name's Cameron at Traders Network Club, and welcome back to another altcoin season show. Today, we're going to talk about the market and just give you some updates on what's going on. But most importantly, I want to talk about Solana because Solana looks like they are creating some games on their blockchain. So exciting stuff, guys, because you know I love talking about play to earn games here on cryptos. So let's get right to it after this break. All right, welcome back, everybody, to another altcoin season show. So, first thing, let's just take a look and then go over the market and just a quick little update to see what's going on. Because as of Tuesday, we had our other show and we were in the greens, man. Everything was looking green and good, and everything was moving. So, and as you can see right now, we're still in the greens. But the ones that I want to talk about is the specific crypto coins that we talked about in our shows. And one of them is Axie Infinity. As you can see, it's 25% up, okay? Axie Infinity. So let's go real quick look at Axie Infinity. We were waiting for Axie Infinity to start going. Look at that, guys. Woo! Look at that. We bought over here, and it is getting close to that resistance. As you can see, it almost got there. But that was our target. That was our target for a little short gain, right? Which was about almost 50%. Okay. Now I think I got in a little lower than this blue line where I put it at. So it could have been a little more than 50%. But guess what? I didn't take my profits. Okay. So I haven't made 50% yet. Okay. So and I said it's up to you. Like I said, let's see how it plays out when it gets to that resistance. And if you want to take your wins, why not? You know, there's nothing wrong with making some profits, right? But as of right now, I'm just still gonna keep an eye on this to see what happens with Axie Infinity, and I'll make that decision personally myself. You guys obviously do what you want to do because I'm not a financial advisor, so you make your own decisions. But if you guys watched our videos and you got in Axie Infinity, you should be in the profits. Okay, so good stuff on Axie Infinity because I know we've been waiting for like 3-4 weeks now for this to finally make a move, and we expected, like I keep saying, we're expecting that third big swing move. So that's why I kind of want to. That's why I'm kind of sitting and holding Axie Infinity, then trying to take my little short gains. But I'm kind of in for the long run. If you believe in the project, if you like it and you know it's gonna produce in the future, then hey, then why not hold and let it ride, right? Now, if we go back, there's other things that are taking place, like Doge, right? Doge is almost 10% up, guys, and we talked about Doge and Shiba, and especially Doge. Doge is the main one I talked about, seeing that breakthrough pattern. And in all the news we've been covering with Doge, you can see that they're trying to, especially Shiba, they are trying to franchise and branch out there and collaborate with other businesses, like Shiba that's collabing with fast food, right? They're coming up with their own fast food. I hear that they trying to get McDonald's to start doing payments with Shiba. So and Doge. So these two meme coins, man, really only two meme coins I really keep an eye on. Um, other than that, there's obviously a lot of few other meme coins that I do like Floki, um, Safe Moon. Those are nice coins. Everyone loves the Kibush Inu or whatever. But I mostly just look at Shiba and Doge, just because they obviously their market cap is way higher and they obviously are used way more than other ones, so they're a lot more safer. Okay, so but Doge is up 8.4%, Sheeb's up 3%. So let's just take a look and see what's really going on with Shiba and Doge, because I remember last time they were just on that breakthrough, just about to break through, and you can see right here, Sheep just broke through this trend line. Are we expecting that breakthrough, man? I don't know. Our target is up here. So, and I got in Sheep over here. So this was another time you can got in right here. So this is a great entry right here when I talked about, I think this was literally on Tuesday when I said this is a great time to get in because if it starts breaking through, at least you didn't miss out, right? So, and our goal was to get to that over 150%, right? That's our target for Shiba. Now, like I said, just with Axie Infinity, you can always see how it plays when it gets close to that resistance because you can want to hold and maybe it goes and breaks this all-time high. Eventually it will. So, so why not hold, right? Now that's just up to you. That's on your decisions and how much money you have and if you want to put more money into other coins, right? But right now we get in this breakthrough through this trend line. So Shiba is going to be a coin we're going to be looking at a lot these next couple of weeks to see what happens. And Doge is this is what I said to buy right here, guys. This is on Tuesday, the 22nd. We were sitting right over here. I said this is a great entry to get in Doge right now. And you're already be sitting at 10%. So you're already be sitting at 10%. But this is very interesting because I would love to see Doge to get back to that. I mean, I think it definitely should get back to 30 cents. Okay. I can't see why Doge wouldn't. But yeah, so I expect Doge to get there, 30 cents. Okay. So that is gonna be our target. And if we got in where I said to get in, we're looking at almost a 200%. Okay, 200% in Doge. That will be huge. So Doge is gonna be another coin that we are gonna be keeping an eye on, okay? Because I mean, it's just so much room to grow. It's only sitting at 13 cents. Only sitting at 13 cents. So that's Shiba and Doge. Axie Infinity looking great. What else we got looking good? Mana. We talked about Mana. So let's take a look. Mana's already going up almost 5%. So let's take a look at Mana. And I believe I also saw Sand going up. So this is where we want. This is our entry right here. Okay, this is our entry right here. As we wait for it to hit that floor, hit the floor, and I said this is a great time to get in. So you're already sitting at profits. If you got in, you're already sitting at 20%, almost 20%. So this is our target right here. So I just want to see our target is to get about 50% on Mana. Okay. Now, same thing with Mana. All these coins, I'm expecting all these coins, especially this year with this big pump. I'm expecting to see some coins break their all-time highs. Okay, not all of them, but I expect some of them. And that's why it's like, do I take my profits out of these targets? It's a safe bet. Now, if you want to be a little greedy, you can wait and hold and let it ride, But obviously, I always like to see when it gets to my target, how's it playing out before I make my decision. But right now, Mana's breaking through that trend line, so Mana's another one we're keeping an eye on. We're in Mana, so let's see how Mana plays in, right? So we're good with Mana. We're in Mana. We're in Doge. We're in Shiba. We're in Axie Infinity, and we're all in profits right now. Okay, same with Sand. Let's take a look at Sand right here. I said to buy right here, and check that out. We broke through that trend line. I was waiting for it to get to the support. We got to the support. Now I'm waiting to get back to this resistance, and that's my target. Now with Sand, we are expecting this fifth wave. Okay, so that's the same thing. Do I want to take my profits out here when I'm expecting this fifth wave swing to our 2.7? Because that's our big target right there, where I expect price to get to by using my Fibonacci. Okay, so by using my Fibonacci tools, I see price getting here. Okay, but I'll wait until we get to that resistance and we'll see how it plays out. But right now, my short-term target is this. Okay, this is my long-term target. Short-term target, long-term target. That's how we can look at it. Okay, but Sand, we're still in the season. I believe we're still in the season. It could be ending next week. Actually, I think the season ends next week. But we didn't get that pump that I anticipated. I remember telling you guys that I expected a huge pump just like this, or we saw back in November when season 1 was out, the alpha pass for Sandbox. It had a huge pump, but season 2, it's not doing what season 1 did, right? But I'm expecting us to see Sand get back to that 4.48, right? $4.08. So I expected it to get to 4.80, and that shouldn't be a problem. Sand got all the way to like $8, over $8. So and I remember it was kind of moving at $5 at one point. So Sand should definitely get back to over $5, no problem. But just getting back to that resistance should be no problem. So I'm expecting to hit that target very soon with Sand. So those are still profits, man. We're in profits. Crypto.com. Awesome. Let's talk about crypto.com. And we're going to talk about Solana. Solana's up 5%. Solana, guys, I am so bullish on Solana, so I can't wait to talk about Solana right now. But yeah, guys, Bitcoin, I didn't really usually always bring up Bitcoin first, right? It's my first coin I like to bring up, but Bitcoin is just still kind of still just not moving much. Bitcoin is still in that little range. We're waiting for the breakthrough year, so we're waiting to get to that resistance, and if we can break through that resistance, then then maybe we can get all the way back to that all-time high, right? I don't know. We'll see. I need to sneeze. Ooh. Oh, okay. I just need to sneeze for some reason, but all right. But anyways, so yeah, Bitcoin. We're just sorry, guys. Let me just. When you guys sneeze, your nose starts tickling. Oh, that's terrible. Okay, sorry. Anyway, so yeah, I'm still waiting for Bitcoin to get to 45,000. That's the goal for right now, and we're just gonna sit and let it play out until we get there. Okay, now Gala didn't move so much, but I've been in Gala, and we've talked about Gala for a while now because Gala is one of the biggest coins that I'm really bullish on, especially with the gaming aspect. And I've been seeing Gala for a long time at this low. So and I did take my profits out here, so I got back in again over here too. So I've been going in buying some with Gala, Gala, however you want to say it. But right now we can see we're breaking through this trend line. So I was saying this was a great point because we're getting close to this resistance level right here. Let me make that blue. Sorry, floor. We're getting close to that floor. So when I saw we touched the floor over here again and we came back down here, I said this was a great entry right here to get in because we were definitely expecting some upside for Gala. We're at a low, sitting almost to the floor, so why not, right? Why would we get in? So right now we're just sitting with Gala and we're getting that breakthrough. This is our short-term target right here, and here's our long-term target. So we'll see how Gala plays out, but everything is sitting perfect, guys. We saw crypto.com is up. Now, if you look at crypto.com, great stuff just came with crypto.com. They have announced as an official sponsor of the 2022 FIFA World Cup. Okay. So I believe the FIFA World Cup takes place in November, sometime in November through December. So they have announced to be their official sponsorship for the FIFA Cup. That's going to be huge. And this is why I talk about crypto.com is because their marketing is probably one of the best marketing out of all these cryptos, to be honest with you. Most of these exchanges do more marketing, but crypto.com has done a really good job with their marketing, and they're growing pretty good. So that's going to be huge. I'm holding in crypto.com. So let's take a look at crypto.com right here. I am holding in crypto.com. And so crypto.com. Yeah, this is another coin that we were waiting for that fifth wave swing. So our main long-term target is all the way up here, guys. All the way up here. and we got close to this floor right here. And obviously, I got in a little early because I didn't want to, I was afraid if we get this breakthrough, I didn't want to miss this. I got in a little early because I like to, strategize and cost to average if we dip a little bit. So I haven't got the cost to average yet because we're going up now, but we broke through this trend line. So maybe, I'm expecting crypto.com to go and break through this resistance and maybe get to this level right here. So I'm just gonna put this level right here just to so I can just see it. Let's put it right there. So yeah, let's see if crypto.com can go and break through these levels, man. Because if it breaks through these levels, especially this one right here, we're gonna break that all-time high because we're definitely know that we're moving on that fifth wave to our target, and I will be sitting long term to get and take my profits out here. Okay. No problem. Okay. I love what I'm seeing with crypto.com. So I'm definitely gonna be holding until this FIFA, okay. The FIFA. So I'll definitely be holding until November. I can tell you that, unless we get some crazy breakthrough before that. But now Hbar, let's see here. I think I saw Hbar up here too. Let's see here. What else we got going? I like to just talk about the ones. See, Gala's only 2%. Chainlink. Um, looks like maybe I didn't see Hbar. I know my eyes are pretty bad to spot all this, but it's just easy for me to show you guys all the coins, right? I hope you guys like the bubbles because it's just easy to show. But anyway, so let's just take a look at before we get to Solana because I want to leave Solana for last. Okay. Oh, look at this Hbar. We saw this right, kind of falling in this little wedge right here, and now we got that breakthrough. So Hbar. Hbar, I'm very bullish on Hbar, guys. I love what they're doing with the Hashgraph technology, and now they're staking on Hashgraph. So there's a lot of utilities they're adding to this coin, and a lot of stuff to like about it. A lot of stuff to like about it. So you can see, I was waiting to see if we get to this floor, but as soon as I saw this breakthrough, this is where I wanted to get in. Right, this is where I wanted to get in. Now, um, yeah, this is actually where I wanted to get in, guys. So, Hbar is looking like it's time to get in, and we were expecting it to get to this wave right here. We were expecting it to get right and test this fourth wave, where the fourth wave started. That's where we expect price to come back and test before it starts its new wave. So it didn't get all the way there, but it got close to years. So my strategy would be to buy now. Okay. My strategy is to buy now. And if we do get a dip, we cost to averaging because I don't expect price to go way below this floor. Okay. I don't expect to break through this floor. Now, if we do, then that's a whole new strategy that we have to implement. But right now, this is a great time to get in. Cost to average, we dip, and we can have a short-term target, but our long-term target is right over here, guys. That's our long-term target for Hedera Hashgraph. So I'm gonna put it in that we're buying. Okay, we're in. We're in on Hedera Hashgraph. We've been waiting to get in on this coin, and we're in now. Okay. And guys, by the way, we have I did mention Tuesday that we are planning to do live trading. We will be opening an account with 8cap, and we will be using that account to live trade on these shows with crypto, so you guys can get that live experience, and we can start tracking our coins and start producing, guys. You know what I'm saying? I want you guys to get in and start producing with me and with us. So we're gonna start doing that eventually. We don't have a date on that yet, but we will be doing that very, very soon. I know we're gonna have a lot coming in next month, so some big stuff coming next month. But yeah, we want to open a live trading account so we can start trading live cryptos on these shows for you guys. We want to start giving you guys some more content, okay, and just some more stuff to add, right? So now talking about ACAP. they are sponsors for this video. So I would like to bring you a video real quick before we go into and talk about Solana. I'd like to bring you a video from our sponsors. So there it is, guys. If you guys are looking to open an account, go ahead and check out the description below in our videos. You will see a link there so you can open an account with ACAP if you choose to. Okay, it's right there in the description below. So there it is, our video brought by our sponsors. And back to where we were at. Okay, so Hedera Hashgraph, boom, we're in. We're in on Hedera Hashgraph, no problem. Now, Engine, I did before we last one before we get to Solana. Engine, we were in. Bam! Look at that, guys. Woo! Man, I hope you guys have been watching these videos, man, because we're just seeing profits on all these coins, baby. So yeah, we were expecting that breakthrough, and I said we're getting so close. This was an entry. We were waiting for it to get to this floor, but I said you don't want to miss out. You get in now. You cost average if it dips to that floor. But we got in, so we didn't miss out. And yeah, we're expecting that fifth wave. This is our long term. We're expecting that fifth wave with Engine. So we're expecting that big fifth wave swing for Engine. That's our long-term target, all the way to almost $6. Okay, so that's a little crazy, right? That's going to be a long time of us holding in. So but you can always go and have a short-term target if you don't want to huddle for a while. Okay, that's always another strategy. I do it. A lot of other people do it. You don't have to huddle for so long. Okay, but it's up to you. You make your own decisions on how you want to trade. Now let's get to Solana, guys. Bam! I want to talk about Solana, man, because first off, crazy. I saw this too. That looks like another country possibly wants to adopt Bitcoin as their legal tender. Okay, and that's going to be announced at the Bitcoin Miami 2022. Now that's very interesting. I like to know. I like to see um the Bitcoin Miami. Okay, that's Bitcoin Miami 2022. So I'd like to see the exact date for that. Let's check that out real quick. So April, okay, that's going to be interesting. April 6th to the 9th. I believe that is a week. Is that a weekday? Wednesday to Saturday. Wednesday to Saturday. So that Thursday when we have our show, that would be something we will talk about to see if there's any changes with that. So that's going to be interesting. But yeah, so now Solana, guys, I don't know if you guys have heard of the game called PUBG Battlegrounds. Okay, PUBG Battlegrounds is a big game that a lot of people play on PC, Xbox, PlayStation, any platform actually, any system. Now I play Xbox personally. Okay. And I play this game. This is a great game. It's one of my favorite games, guys. This is actually a very popular game. This is not like one of these little mobile games. It's on mobile too, but it's a very popular game. And you guys, I'm sure you guys heard of Fortnite. Okay, Fortnite, the battle royale game that kind of just blew up. This PUBG is another battle royale game that came right after Fortnite. That also blew up. So now, if we click on this, just to give you an idea what Solana is really doing. So Studio Beyond Smash Hit PUBG series will make Solana NFT games. So the maker Krafton will develop games on the Solana blockchain. Krafton, excuse me, I think I'm saying his name right. Don't know. And Solana Labs will collaborate to develop and market games as as well as make investments together. Okay, so this is crazy. Okay, major traditional video game makers are beginning to explore the Web3. Guys, I've been explaining the Web3. We're moving to Web3, guys. This is, if you guys don't know what Web3 is, there's a bunch of YouTube videos. Go look it up and understand Web3. Okay, Web3 gaming space. This is why I talk about these gaming coins, because guys, I believe personally, and not just me, there's a lot of people in the crypto space and NFT space that know that Web3 and the gaming space is going to be absolutely huge. Okay, and this is why I talk about most of this, because I believe in this, like absolutely believe in this. Experiencing with NFT assets and cryptocurrency based economies in the process. Okay, so develop blockchain based games on Solana. So Crafton, okay, and the company behind PUBG, okay, a popular battle royale shooter franchise. Millions of downloads. Just so you guys can get an idea how popular this game is. Very popular, free to play on mobile. Okay, now let's see. This is what I want to bring up. It has yet to announce. Okay, it has yet to announce whether it will bring PUBG or another franchise into the Web3 space, or create a new IP for NFT-driven blockchain games on Solana. While PUBG is Crafton's best-known IP, the publisher also owns a franchise. Okay, so he owns other games. Now, Web3 ecosystem. Okay. So you get the idea, okay? You get the idea what they're trying to do, okay? Build an NFT metaverse platform. So the guys, this is just like, man, I don't even know where to start, because this is just like, this is what we've been talking about, and you can just see how it's building, okay? Games are building, man. They're changing. They're gonna change the future. Okay, people are gonna play these games, and it's gonna be a career. It's gonna be a career to them. I already know that people play games as a career right now and make good money playing video games. Okay, but this is gonna change it uh to a whole nother level where they're just gonna moderate this. Okay, like everyone is gonna be doing this. Okay, not everyone that you know, but mostly everyone that I know will be doing this. Okay, so this is huge, guys. Solana is going to be adding games onto their blockchain, so that makes me really bullish on Solana. Okay, so let's take a look at Solana. I believe we actually bought Solana right over here. Okay, because almost like just like these other, they're all very similar actually, how these patterns are breaking out. But you can see it was in this falling wedge coming down, and I was waiting for it to get to this floor. But when I see it over here start moving up, I said it's so close to the floor. Let's get in. Cost average if it dips more. Don't want to miss out. But we haven't even got breaking through the trend line yet, so we're still here. So it could still break down and we can cost average, or it can break through this trend line and we'll see what happens. But now Solana, yeah, I'm so bullish on Solana, guys. Solana's blockchain creating games is going to be huge. Okay, but that's pretty much it for today. I really wanted just to break down the market update and Solana. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and make sure you go and smash the like button and subscribe. Okay, and I'll see you guys next week for our Tuesday and Thursday altcoin season shows. Now I know you guys might have not noticed, probably not, because we don't get that much people watching the NFT shows on Wednesday. And I get NFTs noon, and not a lot of people, trade NFTs or flip NFTs as of now. But so we decided I'm probably not gonna be posting NFT shows as for now, but eventually we will bring them back when we focus on other things that we want to provide for you guys, because there's so much coming, guys. Like, we want to provide a lot for you guys, and but when the NFT shows come, they will come later down the line when we can start adding more and start actually giving you guys that live experience of trading NFTs, because that's kind of what I want to do for you guys. I want to give you that live, experience of us trading, cryptos and NFTs. So That will come eventually, but as of right now, we're not going to do the NFT shows. I'm just going to work on these altcoin season shows and provide you live trading for it. So that's our goal for right now. Okay. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next week, and you guys have a lovely weekend and take care. See ya.